Menteri Ramba Kejelau Conrad Kasama Mentagasni ke Absatrik Nailar Araja Konriu Loong ba ke khubor na kaliang jungu bat ke sorkar ke pha sik pai ba kalong ke ei ke balajia kalong ke ei ke basungsi ke ba omla ban pediang. Menteri Ramba Loong ba kidon gibriu ke ba persyang wanrah yak jing shongsyier ha ke imlang ke salang ha ke bede ba kane ke sorkar kanom I yak itu gibriu ke sorkar kan sim yak kilat klenti ban penstom teng yak itu kiba persyang wanrah yak jing shongsyier. Menteri Ramba Kejelau lakon tui pai ba kim de ban sir ulong ba kade jing sya ba wanrah yak jing bombit bombiang wat ke sorkar ru ke smuthu namar lai yak ei ke belajia na ke jelak ba merjan yak ba kilayo ban yakren ba dia penbej yak ne jing Menteri Ramba ulong ba kade ke hok juk pai ba ban pelong yak jing yak hi ke bejajai. Kamut ba kin sim yak anyakti ha ke juk kapor kamut ke ba kila ban le kat ba kisngobit kam tam ban bom ban tit ya kiru pai ba habede bar kum kin ek jingjia pai ba aru kide ban mi chakmat ban kren long ba ka sarkar klapli ya kalat jinya kren habede bar kano ka phang kikloi ban ya kren henrei udon uput bat omla ban jam persya bat lada jam palat onle kat kum ka ain.
Or my message and the government's message to the citizen is that whatever happened was very, very unfortunate. And there are people who try to create fear in the system and in the society. And we will not leave those people. We're going to take very, very strong action against those people who have tried to create that fear. And our citizens should not be worried. Yes, there was certain inconvenience that was caused. We do agree to that because of the reaction that we saw from our neighboring state, and then that had to be again controlled and discussed and negotiated. But now that we have got all of that behind us, I think we should move in a positive manner. We should definitely, all of us should learn, in fact, not just the government, but all of us, including from organizations, associations, and different stakeholders, and ensure that whatever steps can be taken in the future to ensure that while we have the right to have peaceful protest, it does not mean that you can take the law in your hand, and especially it does not mean that you can do anything that you want, and especially beating up and harming innocent people. So that's something, a strong message must go from all of us. And it's very important, and I've been sharing with everybody, that society must also at one point in time must come out regarding this. As I said, we have been one of the most open governments. When it comes to any issue, we have been very open to discuss with the issues. When it comes to any kind of talks and discussions that are there, we've always been open to talks and discussions. But as I said, there's a line that we have to draw, and one cannot cross the line. And that is the message that we have for everybody, that please don't try to do that. And if anybody does, then we will have to take action as per law.